Here it is, the much awaited kit for World Tour 2022. So as you can see, it's purple. It looks like a little suitcase. Mine's just arrived today and I am in the UK. So if we open it up, you'll be able to see all of the goodies inside. Ah, look, a little toolkit. Love that. Whether I'll cut it out, I don't know, to be honest. But this is my favourite part. I always love the notebooks that we get in these kits. Everybody needs a notebook to make some notes, but I love the notebooks. It's just a chance to start something fresh, keep your own information from all of the trainings that you do. So there's all sorts of stuff. Oh, there's even some different languages in here. So it looks like it's covered for every language for Europe. So that is the notebook. We always get a little lanyard. This is a measuring tape. Love that. Can't open it with one hand, but obviously it just says World Tour Scentsy. I think that says 2022. And then there's another secret layer. Oh, so let's have a look under the little secret layer. Ah! 3 bars. 3 new season scent bars. So I think that calls for a sniff off. These have never been sniffed before, never been here before. So this is all new to me. And I'm super excited to get my nose inside. So I haven't got any scent descriptions. I do apologise. Because I didn't know it was going to be in the box. So this one, what was this one again? White, amber and teak. I've got no idea what this is going to smell like. I really haven't. I just can't imagine. So let's just peel that back. Oh, it's nice. If you like more manly scents, so the likes of Shaka, what was she, Leather, that was back in the days, you're going to love that one. Definitely a manly scent, but not excessively. I really like that. Next one, Pineapple Mango. Now, I love Pineapple Pucker, so there's every chance that this is going to be a love from me, because I do tend to like the fruity scents. I'm sorry I can't turn you around. I hate that I'm talking to a wax bar, but because I'm recording it rather than doing it live, I can't keep changing the style of the video. So let's have a sniff. I get them both. I get the pineapple and I get the mango, and I love it. I was right. I did love it. I do love it. That will go perfect in my kitchen and in my hallway. Next one, cocoa nuts for coconuts. I've got no idea. Genuinely have no idea whether I like this. Some coconut smells I like, but it tends to be mixed in with something else. So kind of like the linen smells or the fruity with the coconut. This just sounds like it's going to be pure coconut. It's all right. It's a like. I'll definitely be warming it to see what it smells like. I don't hate it. I was surprised. But I do quite like it on blind sniff. There's not one that I don't like on blind sniff. I think this is me. Well, these two will probably be my favourites because I do like manly and I do like fruity. And then this one is a like. So 2 loves, 1 like. So thank you very much, Scentsy. I hope that's been really useful for you to watch and get an insight about what we get in our little kits. And if you do have any questions, obviously, please feel free to drop me a message. Just checking that there's not another secret layer under there. Unfortunately, there's not. Or you can head to charleneoffer.scentsy.co.uk and check out all of the information on the website. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.